The life of people and fish is quite the same. If you look closely, they both swim freely and find food on their own. They play with others, they connect, and they look out for each other. But behind that freedom, there are limits. They are still confined in a place where food and space are not endless. Just like us humans, we can plant in our yards, visit neighbors for a chat, work to earn a living, and live our lives. But still, we are not completely free. Like fish, our lives have boundaries. We stay where we are allowed, where we belong. But just like the fish, people like me who live in the province or up in the mountains are still happy. Life may be hard. We may lack many things, but we're comfortable, content, and full of hope. We believe that one day, we'll rise above poverty and make it through. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Teen and my channel is Nature with Teen. I'm a small content creator. I'm a small, this one, small YouTuber, and I hope one day you will recognize me, you will support me,